We're here at Tyndall Air Force Base, 325th Logistics Readiness Squadron, LRS. We support the F-22s and 35s by ordering all the parts that they need.
Our mission here is to provide fuel to all the aircraft on base and keep the planes in the air.
In 2018, we had Hurricane Michael. We have the Program Management Office that is supporting the reconstruction of the base.
The Defense Logistics Agency is a one-stop shop for us. From nuts and bolts to gloves or boots, we get about 90% of our assets from DLA.
DLA Energy plays a pivotal role. They provide all the fuel you see in the background. They also give us vital technical support. Typically for an exercise month, we would pump nearly 1 million gallons.
We have about 26,000 vehicles for an amount of about $3.5 billion. And so working with DLA allows us to get the best quality machines for the value.
Without DLA, I don't know that we could do it, honestly. I'm happy that they're here for us.